Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope everything is good. Now today we are going to do comparing angles. Now see this one. Can you look at the three angles here? So this one is less than 90 degree, right? Because you remember the 90 degree checker, for example, this one here, this angle 90 degree checker, the small square is applied here. So this angle is less than 90 degree. And when the 90 degree checker is applied to this is exactly 90 degree, and then the 90 degree checker, this one is applied to this angle, and this is the angle is more, right? So which angle is equal to right angle? Right angle means this the square, the small square, which is 90 degree. When an angle has a 90 degree, it's a right angle, isn't it? So which one? This is right angle, right? B. Which one is smaller than right angle? A. Which one is bigger than right angle? This one, right? Now angle A is smaller than a right angle. Angle B is exactly right angle. Angle C is greater than a right angle, isn't it? Now look at this square. This all four sides equal, right? So all the corners are 90 degree. Now look at this one. This is a rectangle. All corners are 90 degree. Okay, so they are right angles. Now let's move on to the next page. Now look at this triangle. This triangle, the angle A is a right angle triangle. So it is 90 degree. The 90 degree checker applied, so it is exactly fitting. So it's a right angle triangle. And this B is less than 90 degrees. C, what about C, is less than, right? And look at these angles in this triangle. All of them are less than 90 degrees. Now look at this blue color triangle. This D, if you apply the 90 degree checker to D, the D appear to be bigger than a 90 degrees. So this D is a angle which is bigger than a right angle, bigger than 90 degrees. Okay. Now see how you can use your equipments to check whether the angle is a right angle or it has 90 degree. So the ruler, the corner of the ruler, the ruler is like almost like this. So the corner of the ruler can be used here to be fitted here to check whether it is a 90 degree. Likewise, a folded paper can also be used. Now look at this workout. Look at the angles below. Which angles are right angles? Now B and C, they both are right angles, right? Which angles are bigger than right angle? D and F, isn't it? Which angles are smaller than right angle? A and E, obviously, right? Now let's move on to the next page. Question number 2. Look at these figures. How many right angles are there in each of them? How many angles are smaller than or bigger than a right angle? Okay, let me do A and B. You can continue doing C and D. Okay. Now see, I will use red color to indicate right angle. Now for example, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So each corner is having a right angle, isn't it? And now this one, 1, 2. I think that's the only right angle inside this yellow color figure. Now I'll take green to indicate angles which is more than right angle. So more than 90 degrees. So this angle is more, this angle will be more, and this angle also will be more than 90 degrees. Okay, I hope you can identify 90 degrees and angles which are bigger and smaller than 90 degrees in these two figures. Okay, now look at this chocolate box. This box, the box is made made from rectangles and squares, right? This one is a square, and this side also there is a square. Now this, how many rectangles? This is a rectangle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rectangles and 2 squares, isn't it? You know, before we learn even in this video, that square, all the corners are right angles. Even rectangles, all the corners are right angles. So imagine 2 squares. So each corner is 90 degree, right angle. So 4 this side, 4 this side. And rectangles, you know, also 4, isn't it? Now you can add them and get me the answer for this. And you can try number 4 by yourself. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you.